Is Kemper Auto Insurance legit? This is a Kemper Auto Insurance review. Have you used Kemper Auto Insurance before? Leave a review in the comments section below. So Kemper, you've probably seen their name pop up if you've ever searched for insurance as a high-risk driver. Maybe you've heard they're affordable, or maybe you've heard horror stories about customer service. Either way, Kemper's reputation is complicated. Let's start with the good. Kemper is legit. It's been around for over a century, and it's one of the bigger players in the non-standard auto insurance space. That means they're often the go-to for drivers with DUS, poor credit, or spotty driving records. They offer SR22 filings, coverage for salvaged vehicles, and even policies for people without a US driver's license. If you've been turned down elsewhere, Kemper might say yes. They also have a decent spread of discounts: good student, multi-car, pay in full, prior insurance, and even military discounts. Some users say they got a better rate with Kemper than anywhere else, and their coverage options are flexible. You can add roadside assistance, rental reimbursement, and gap insurance. So yeah, they're not bare bones. But here's where things get messy. The customer service. Rough, like really rough. Across Reddit, Trustpilot, Pissed Consumer, and Consumer Affairs, there's a pattern. Long claim delays, adjusters not returning calls, policies cancelled without warning, people getting ghosted after accidents. One user said they were rear-ended by a Kemper-insured driver, and Kemper just closed the file because they couldn't reach their own client. Another said they were charged double, dropped for non-payment, then hit with cancellation fees after proving they paid. The mobile app? Not great. Users complain it's buggy, hard to navigate, and doesn't always process payments correctly. And if you're trying to buy a policy online, forget it. You'll need to go through an agent. That's not necessarily bad, but it's not convenient either. Pricing is another mixed bag. For high-risk drivers, Kemper can be cheaper than the big names. But for everyone else, it's often more expensive. Some quotes are 13% higher than average. And if you have a clean record, you'll probably find better deals elsewhere. So is Kemper Auto Insurance legit? Yes, they're a real company with real policies. They're especially useful if you're struggling to get coverage, but they're not for everyone. If you value smooth claims, responsive support, and a polished digital experience, you might want to look elsewhere. If you just need someone to insure you when no one else will, Kemper could be your lifeline. Have you had a good or bad experience with Kemper? Drop it in the comments. Let's help each other out.